Hey, what up?
Yo, it's your boys without their fucking whiteboard.
It's your, yeah, fuck, shit, God.
Fucking mother.
I something on my face already?
Nice and dirty.
Cool. What up? It's SPB Garage. It's another Saturday back in the shop.
Hanging out here doing fun stuff.
Trying to beat the heat. So, we got...
So, it's going to be a stationary video.
Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff planned for the day.
Yes, we do.
We got to clean this shop.
Got a bunch of lawnmowers we need to get rid of. They're all in a pile. We'd show you, but it's going to be a shaky, messy video.
Yeah,
so
we showed you guys last time anyway.
Yeah, the pile hasn't changed. It's the same. You know.
Basically, opening it up the shop, we got a lot of body work that needs to happen. So
yeah,
we
big things.
Just blew apart a truck in the shop and then sandblasted it. So we got to clean up media and organize all these truck parts.
Yes.
Get it ready to do body work. We got to body work the bed, the cab, the doors, the hood, inside of the cab. You know, the frame.
Whenever
anything
gimbal comes back to life, we'll show you the frame.
Yeah,
it turns out like pretty good.
It turned out decent.
Yeah.
So we got let's see, we got to clean, and then what else are we doing?
We wrecked our paint booth.
Yeah, we got a paint booth. We got to check out, figure out how to use that bad boy.
Hopefully, it's not bigger than the inside of the shop. That'll be a fun time. But we got to switch the frame to the cart, put it inside the paint booth, spray the frame.
We're going to spray the frame, and then we'll start on the bed and the cab today, probably, sanding that. And then
also the engine.
We got to do the engine as well. We got to break all that down, basically down to just heads and get the oil pan off of it, stuff like that probably.
Oh my goodness.
Get her sprayed.
So much worky to do.
Color match to the truck as well.
Wonder why not everybody builds cars in their fucking free time. It's probably because it's a lot of work.
It's like how many Saturdays in a row does it take to build a truck of this quality? So
we got one Saturday.
One Saturday a week. So make the most of it. That's why they're like 16-hour days sometimes.
But it's funny, I think about the Camaro when we grinded real hard on the Camaro for a long time, but I kind of still think of the shop as like the end day of the Camaro, like wrapping everything up with it. And those days were nice and easy. Everything's getting done, seeing a lot of progress. Going back, it's probably like having children. You're like, oh, this part's a lot of work. To building it or getting everything torn down, stripped, fly.
It's definitely a process. We'll say that. So it's a messy, labor-intensive process, and
it's a hot process now.
Yeah, it's hot.
We live here in
California. We waited to do this at the wrong time. We're like, hey, 100 degrees outside. Let's get in the shop.
Well,
so
before that, I mean, we were doing jet skis.
Yeah, we did jet skis and stuff. We knew the hot was coming, so we're like, we're going to build jet skis and go to the lake.
Yeah, we did it one time.
Yep. Now our jet skis are for sale. So anybody want jet skis?
Want to buy a jet ski?
Yeah,
they rip, dude. That's hilarious. That thing's scary fast.
Yeah, I've never rode anything that fast on the water. It's pretty weird.
Yeah, it was fun too.
Yeah,
for you.
So maybe we'll get some blasters in the future. That's what I want.
Yeah,
that'd be cool.
We got plans for the next summer, future. Summer, winter, end of winter project.
I'd probably even go jet skiing in the wintertime. That was a lot of fun. Don't fall off.
Gotta get a wetsuit. You gotta take a leak in that wetsuit.
Right.
Make it so you're nice and warm.
Yeah. So no, we got a big day. Really, that's it. It's kind of going to be another labor-intensive day. We'll try to update you guys as we go.
Yeah.
So
we're getting there.
Yeah, we're going to clean the shop up, get it open, get it organized. Then the paint booth. Then frame's going to go in the paint booth. Hopefully, we get some color on it today.
Thank you.
Engine.
You're going to start to notice a common theme with our videos is every 3 or 4 is clean the shop because we made it an absolute mess.
Oh, dude, it's such a mess. So.
We organized everything. We got everything all set. We're like, no more messy boys in the shop.
Yeah.
We're keeping all of our tools nice and organized. All gone are the days of not being able to find shit. And then we're just, wow, tools.
Next thing you know, there's blasting media in our nice toolbox.
There's a tarp. You're kicking it around. There's extension cords wrapped up in it.
We definitely learned a lesson, I'd say, with sandblasting, and that is to try to contain it. Don't let it take over your whole shop.
We need another paint booth.
That was a mistake, So probably sandblast a hole through a paint booth or something like that.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a lot of guys.
our old prep booth we should have kept for a sandblasting booth. But
what is it? Hindsight's 2020. That would have been That would have been perfect.
That would have been awesome. It would have been so smart, dude.
And that thing had a huge problem with just sucking sand into it. So, our old prep booths. Yeah, I don't know if you said paint booths.
Prep booth. Yeah, we don't have one of those.
Don't arrest us.
Not the cops.
FBI, open up! Okay.
It was definitely a homemade paint booth.
Prep booth.
Yeah. We'll call it. So, we're going to get started in the shop. We'll update you guys once we get everything out of the shop, cleaned up,
Yeah.
go from there. So,
Oh, my sweet sack. Yo, everybody. What's going on? It's your boys, Knife Man and Tall Sack.
Put the thing in there.
We're going to erect ourselves a paint booth. We're going to do it all in one take, too.
Yeah. So, you guys can see it.
All right, let's
do it. Open the box.
Crap into this thing. Whoa. Who sharpened this knife? It sucks.
I was trying to cut a rock in half with it earlier. Sorry. Oh, it's the turbo, man!
Look at that guy.
Open the box.
Fucking shit.
Don't stab it.
Okay.
There's inflatables in there.
I don't think this has any inflatables.
You never know.
I think it's just got
A big turbo.
Oh,
I got one of them Chinese turbos. Wait for it. Big reveal.
Let's
Gonna
fucking
be popping out the hood, dude.
let's boost the bug with that.
100mm turbo.
That hurt, mate.
Did you stab yourself?
Just a little tiny bit, dude. Just a little tiny bit.
He's bleeding, Pete. Alright, so be careful opening that one. Is it heavy?
No. I just want to get close.
Hopefully everything's in here. It says repacked.
Yeah, this was only kind of a lot of money, too, so a little nervous
Don't
about
stab
honestly.
it.
You'd think it'd have some kind of packing material in it anyway.
Yeah, it's gonna like
It's already
it's gonna be like one of those clown boxes. It's gonna be in here.
What if there's nothing in it?
It's like one of those Wayfair things.
Whoa, dude. Oh, chitty bitty. I don't like what I'm seeing already.
I'm not gonna have fun.
What is that?
What the heck?
What does that do? Oh,
It's a bag.
It's a bag for our paints. Maybe we use that to mix in, you know?
I have no idea. Another bag.
Strings.
We'll get back to you on the bags.
It's got a fucking needles in it. That seems like the opposite thing you'd want with a
Inflatable paint.
inflatable paper. Yeah, a bag of needles. Okay. Let's just turn it over. There you go.
So, if anybody's curious, that's a $1,500 thing.
It keeps getting more expensive every time you tell someone about it.
I know. There we go. So right off the rip, I'd say it's pretty durable. Oh, let's not do that yet. Let's go over to the end. Uh-oh. Oh. Shit.
We don't know what we're getting into anyway.
Okay.
And we sit here and complain about like
It's pretty durable material. I'll give it that much. Gotta paint a car fast.
Oh shoot, dude.
Almost bonked my head. 28 feet long, 15 feet wide. We'll see how we do. That's a big boy.
That's a long
That's a big boy.
All right. I'm gonna take this with me when I go camping.
It's like whenever it's hella hot outside, you're trying to get your tent up.
Yeah. Wowee!
Keep going.
This thing is gonna be a mess, dude.
Yeah, what do we get ourselves into?
Where are we gonna put this thing? It's never gonna look like this again. And then, which side is the right side? Who knows?
All right. Wow, I'm unrolling quite a bit on my side. I think we gotta go that way more.
Oh, this is the I see.
I got another fold. All right, we gotta move the whole unit that way. Keep going. Yeah, right there. I was not expecting it to unfold this many times.
Wasn't either.
This thing's big, man.
Okay, fitting a big old truck in it. Also, you know, for everybody watching, we don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, we don't know anything about this right now, so
You're along with us for the
Yeah.
ride. It's called capturing. Oh shit! What the hell? Ew! I don't like that at all.
I can 100% guarantee you we're not going to get it back in the box.
Oh, this is going to be a... We'll have to like hang this from the roof or something.
Nope. It's just so that you're worried about it deflating, that you can just hang it so if you got a fresh paint job in there,
oh yeah,
it won't deflate onto your paint job.
That's a good point. I wasn't saying to really hang it. I was just saying to store it.
So right here's our inlet. We just basically use that to erect it.
Oh, sheesh.
Need us an extension cord.
Let's
grab
right
the fan.
Oh, would you look at that? Oh, a visitor.
Didn't see you there.
Hey, welcome to our new home.
Yeah.
We live here now.
This is our shop within a shop.
Mm-hmm.
Check it out.
You can see.
Nice.
Got it set up.
So, yeah. Paint booth is erected.
Mm-hmm. We tested it all out. We got filters right here. Yeah, filters.
Good canvas material. Yo, doesn't suck. Give it a 6 out of 10 so far.
6 out of 10. Solid.
It's very big.
Worth $1,000? Yes.
Yeah. So,
Could
gotta go to the store?
The bane of one man's existence, though.
Yeah, a little pokey boy, you know?
Yeah.
Gotta go to the store. We're gonna buy some prep all, stuff like that. We're gonna get some color on this, so,
yeah. One thing you guys can't feel is it's hot as hell in here.
yeah, it's muggy.
Yes.
Yes.
Very humid. I'm sweating.
We're developing bat wings.
Riveting content.
Yes. Goodbye now.
What up, guys? A little update. I'm working on this dirty, stinky old engine, getting it ready. We're gonna get it all sanded, prepped, ready to get some color on it. So we're gonna break this all the way down, get the accessories on it. If we run over here, we have Mr. Seth inside the booth. Looks like he's
There's absolutely nothing wrong with the frame when we did it the first time, so I wouldn't show him anything in there.
yeah. So we're just working on the frame. He's getting it, you know, any minor things going on before we put the paint on it. So he's just prepping it one last time, and then this will get some color.
Are you ready for the paint reveal?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What up, guys? SBB Garage. The day after, we got our engine painted.
Engine painted.
We got new timing cover, valve covers for it and stuff. Spark plugs, of course, so don't mind all that stuff. This is just so we didn't have to spend a lot of time taping it off and prepping it. So, yeah, this is a little sneak peek to the color we're going to have.
We're not using these chrome boys anymore.
No, these are Garbo. So.
Funny story about these chrome boys. One of my first car projects in my life, I had my 83 Camaro Z28. I wanted to dress it up a little bit, started having a valve cover leak. I went down to Napa, and I bought myself some chrome valve covers. So I was like, that'll be really cool. It'll spice up the car, a little chrome on there, even though that would look like shit because of the vacuum lines and everything. But what I did when I replaced my engine, or these valve covers, is I couldn't get the PCV release to mount up, so I just put them on backwards. And then I caused a bunch of crankcase pressure in my engine and blew up the motor in my first car.
Yeah.
Which is the motor we just put in that Camaro.
Yeah.
The replacement motor for that.
Yeah.
That's what we put in that 88
Yeah.
Camaro.
So you know what to say. Chrome get you dome. So,
yeah. And
Yeah.
the fact that you got to replace your car engine.
So, yeah, next thing up is this beautiful masterpiece we got laying in here.
Yeah.
So,
our paint booth.
this is Transport Green. This is the color of the frame. Now, we have a bit of a discrepancy. Do we want the whole truck to be this color? We're talking the exterior as well. Or should we do the frame inlays and all the accessories this color, and the exterior of the truck be black, like a nice gloss black? So,
Funny
kind of
thing-
up to you guys. Maybe leave it in the comments. We'll see.
Funny thing about this on camera, it looks like the color that we wanted it to.
Really?
Yeah, it looks like
This
a dark
is a
green.
slightly lighter color of green in person.
If we could get this color green, I'd be happy with it.
So,
It looks
Yeah.
great on camera. This is exactly what I want the truck to be.
This is transport green. So, color of the frame. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
so we
looking
got
pretty rad.
an impasse of what we're going to do with the truck now. If it's going to look like this, we're both kind of maybe leaning away from this color. It's a little too light. So
It
we
look
either have
really
to-
good with this as an accent to gloss black, I think.
Yeah,
But yeah, so
that would be the thing. Do we want to go in there?
yeah.
Deal with that. We already
And
have this paint.
Paint
too.
booth worked really good. The filter seemed to catch a lot of the paint fumes and whatnot. So
Yeah,
I give it a good rating. It didn't aerate it. I think we need to get that other fan to help push air through here because there was a lot of fumes hanging out in the booth, and
Yes.
I don't think any mask that we had would have helped us on that one. So
Yeah, our actual respirators left us feeling pretty bad last
So,
night.
little
didn't-
frame update.
Yeah.
This is it for this video. Yeah. Catch you guys on the next one. We'll probably get to the T-case, transmission getting some color, start coloring and body working body parts actually on this. So
Maybe it'll become interesting.
yeah, maybe now this will be a little bit catching, like what the heck are these guys doing? So
They're already
Yeah.
like that. They just spend all their free time.
yeah, hey, let's spend your weekend at the shop and waste your life away. So
Waste it.
Yeah.
Hey, whenever we're done, we'll have a really cool truck, though.
yeah. So it'll be pretty sweet. This is the most progress we've made on the truck so far. It's cool to get to do something that isn't like deconstructive. This is constructive. We're making it look pretty, doing positive things to it. So this is on the upside of the build now.
This is
And,
called progress.
Yeah, progress is our progress. So, yep, she looks pretty rad, pretty beautiful. I think so. So I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. We'll catch you in the next video. SPV out.
Oh, yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe.
You nerds!
Yeah.